Bourbon Basil Berry Bash. Wow, alliteration. Okay, so we get all our berries in the bottom there because it's a bourbon berry basil bash. I love that. Some lemon juice for our bourbon berry basil bash. Simple syrup. Okay. Come back. Now we muddle. Okay, drop in some ice. Come behind with some bourbon. Triple sec, okay? I know mixologists looking at that going, ugh. Okay, triple sec. Shake. But guess what? The only mixologists that matter in here are you guys at home, okay? You all don't care. Good to go. We poured over a nice clear ice cube. This is a really interesting drink, okay? This is definitely one to try. A little bit of soda water. I don't know if I need the soda water, but I'll roll with it like that. A little berry skewer. Ooh, basil leaves. Brandon L. Good job, man.